Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a budget sheet easy method. First, gather your financial statements from the last month or two. This includes bank statements, credit card bills, and pay stubs. Next, open your budget sheet template, which you can find online or create yourself. We'll start by inputting your total monthly income. This foundational step helps you see your starting point clearly. Now, let's categorize your expenses. Start with fixed costs like rent, mortgage, or car payments. These are usually the same amount each month. Then, move to variable expenses such as groceries, dining out, or utilities. It's helpful to review past spending to get accurate estimates. Assign a budget amount to each category. This helps you visualize where your money is allocated and prevents overspending in certain areas. Consistent tracking is key to success. Throughout the month, diligently record every dollar you spend in its respective category on your budget sheet. This could be daily or every few days, whatever works best for you. Regularly compare your actual spending to your budgeted amounts. This practice helps you quickly spot discrepancies and understand if you are sticking to your plan. It's about staying informed and in control. At the end of each month, take time to review your budget. See what worked well and what didn't. Did you consistently go over in one category or perhaps underspend in another? Use these insights to adjust your budget for the next month, making it more realistic and effective. This iterative process helps you refine your financial habits over time, leading to better savings and financial health. Also, for a smarter home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.